Hey guys, welcome back my taste viewers, and if you're new to this channel, this is Taste View. I welcome you guys, and I have something fun for you guys today, and here it is. A Japanese snack pack. Okay, are you guys excited? Because I am. Let's open it up. Ready for the reveal? Look at all these snacks, guys. There's a lot to unpack today, but we're gonna get it done. Let's get right into it, guys. And the first thing I'm gonna try, this muggy chocolate. All right, let's see how it goes. All right, so this is what they look like. It smells good, you know, it smells like cocoa for sure. Let's okay. Wow, I've had this taste before. It's like I can't even describe it right now. Okay, it's like a wafer, but it tastes like popcorn. I gotta see what type of waffle type thing, but it tastes good. It's chocolatey. It almost tastes like a coffee bean, to be honest. You see how it looks like a coffee bean even? It tastes kind of good. I like it. All right, guys, ready for the next snack? Look at these. They look like, you know, some kind of pretzels. It looks like it has like some flavoring on it, but I can't read Japanese, so I don't know exactly what it says, but we're gonna find out the flavors. Okay, let's see, ready? Wow. Guys, this just blew my mind because I was expecting like a pretzel. Guys, this is sweet. It's not salty. Wow. It has like, you know, like a mild barbecue, and when I say barbecue, I mean like a smoky flavor, like lingering in the background, so it's like sweet but smoky. These are interesting to say the least. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, so let's go to the next one, guys. A soft eclair. All right, we're just gonna keep it rolling. So this is like a little candy. Look at the little. All right, ready? The initial texture is smooth and silky. I like it. Once you play with it a little bit in your mouth, it softens up quickly. So, a soft eclair. Let me bite. Okay, it's chewy. It's like it had like a vanilla filling. I almost want to open one and show you guys the middle. Let me see if I can do it, if it's possible. I feel like it's not doing what I thought it would do in my mind, but it gives you guys an idea. Look. It's good. Alright. I like these. They're good. They remind me of, like, you know, when your grandma had candy in her purse? It reminds me of like a gourmet version of that, you know what I'm saying? All right. I'm gonna go for something on the bottom to switch it up a little bit. This, by looking at the wrapper and feeling a little bit, it looks like it might be like some jelly bean type of thing. The design is cute. Look at the little elephants. I love it. It smells fruity. I keep dropping this. All right, it smells good. It smells fruity. You know, like the little jelly candies we had in our childhood. Remember those? Nostalgia, right? It smells like that, like the fruit cups, but in a bag. It smells really good. This is what it looks like. It's the size of a jelly bean. It is not exactly like a jelly bean. You know what I'm saying? It's its own thing. The texture of this is nice because it's not hard. It's not a hard gummy, but it's also not a soft gummy that your teeth just goes right through it. Like, it's somewhere in the middle. So it's like a texture you think you're gonna know, but it's unexpected at the same time. So it's pretty clutch. You know, that purple one was like a grape flavor. And these are, you know, the main colors. It's like purple and the light peach white color. Let me see. I'm not really sure what this flavor could be, but they're good, guys. I like these. These are fun. How are you guys liking the box so far? Let me know what you think right below in the comments. Look at these, guys. Soda chewing candy. These look a little fun. Let's see what it's about. This is what it looks like. All right, ready? They smell like bubble gummy, but you know, the soda flavor one. All right. Yeah, wow. Wow. Guys, this has to be one of the bombest candies I've ever had. Like, no joke. It's so soft, smooth, silky, like, it's as smooth as fondant, like on a cake. You know that visual? And the softness, that's what this feels like on your tongue. That's what it looks like in person. It looks like, you know, the smooth fondant. Oh my God, it's not, the flavor is not overwhelming. It's a nice soda flavor. Like it's really good. I love it. This might have to be like a 12 out of 10 for me. Like this is really good. Wow, this is on top of my list from the whole box right now. All right, I want to try these little cookies. Oh, it's a biscuit, my bad. Boruto biscuit. Oh, I see, it's funny. It's a play on the anime Naruto. All right, let's try it out. Ready, guys? Oh, these look fun. They have like different little characters. They almost look like, you know, little crackers. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I initially thought I could potentially pair this with cheese, but it's not as salty as I thought it was. It's in between. It's in between salty and sweet. Like it literally tastes like a neutral biscuit cracker, if that makes sense. It's good though. Maybe I could have it with like some hummus or something. I like these. These are good. These are a fun snack. For sure. I love it. Look, it's even celebrating its 20th anniversary. Bomb. Good. All right. On to the next one. All right, guys. I think it's time to introduce the drink that's in the box. Since we've been having all these snacks, I think it's time to wash it down with this sangria soda. It looks like grape sangria. Oh, grape soda, but it says sangria on it. I like the, you know, the art on the can. It's pretty cool. And you see the lid is not usually like our soda lid cans out here. It's kind of cool, a different shape. I like it. Ready? Let's see, ready? Wow, I like this. It gives you soda pop, but it almost feels like a healthy version of a soda. Like, it's not that sweet, how you would think. It kind of has like a background, sparkling, you know how sparkling water is? And how it can have like a bitter taste. It has a mild sparkling water taste in the background, but not, it's like faint, but it adds to the flavor of the soda, which is really nice. Cheers. This is really good, guys. I wish I could give you some right now. Wow. All right, on to the next one, guys. This big one is kind of calling my name. It's a snowflake cracker. Look at how pretty. All right, guys. The packaging is really cute. I love it. And the colors, I feel like it complements everything that's going on. So it's like 2 in a pack. How cute. These are good. Guys, this is like a rice cracker, and it's sweet and savory at the same time. You get a nice blend and balance of sweet and salty. Like, it's not too salty, but it's not too sweet either. It's just a perfect immersive blend. Wow, these are so good. This has to be on top of my list right now. I like this. This is my top 3 so far. All right, guys. I'm gonna have to come back to this later because it's just so good. Luckily for me, there's more snowflake crackers in there. All right. I'm gonna do something a little different. This is what's left. I'm just gonna close my eyes, you know, do a little blind pick. You guys see it first. All right, ready? Oh, okay. It's the Kit Kat. Hey, nice. I don't know what it says though. We're gonna find out. This is a cute little size for Kit Kat. I wonder what flavor it's gonna be. Okay. Wow, I still have the flavor of that cracker. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. This packaging is kind of tough to get through. All right, so this is the Kit Kat. It looks a little melted at this point. This is what it looks like, guys. You can see the wafer a little bit. It's cool though, because it's still edible. Let's see. Ready? Guys, I can't. That's cool. I see the wafer has like a K on it. That's kind of cool, a cool detail. That's something you don't see every day. You just usually bite into the Kit Kat. That's a nice detail. I can appreciate that. I like details. But back to this, guys. I'm trying to decipher the flavor of this, because I can't quite put my senses on it. But it tastes good. It's like it tastes like a soft caramel frappuccino, but it doesn't taste like coffee. It tastes like, you know, there's some slight caramel in there, but to be honest, I'm not exactly too sure what the flavor is. I might have to look it up, but it's good. I like it.
It's graham crackers.
It might be like a graham cracker flavor. It was good though. I liked it. It was subtle. It was good. I enjoyed it. All right, I'm gonna do another one at random. This is next. There was two. I'll have this one later, guys. Melon. It's a melon flavor. Pandaro? I like it. It's a cute packaging. Look at how cute this panda is. All right. All right, so it's it came broken, guys. It looked like it was like a full cookie cracker. But these are the pieces. It's cool. I'm not mad at it. It's still edible. I wish I could have seen the full picture, but it's cool. We'll just use our imagination. It basically looks like the packaging, as you can see. So we'll just try it out in pieces. Ready? Guys, this just blew my mind. This just blew my taste buds out of this world. Oh my God, it's so good. Guys, this cookie tastes like melon. I don't think you guys understand. This tastes like melon. It's so good. It's a sweet melon, but a cookie. This might be like my number one right now. This is number one. It beat the soda candy. So it's this melon cookie, soda candy, and the snow cracker. That's my top three right now. That was really good. That's like a 12 out of 10. All right, next. It looks like a little cone, a waffle cone. Ooh. Look at how cute. It smells good. Wow. This is a cute, fun little candy. Guys, this is marshmallow. I didn't know what the top was. So it's marshmallow and it has chocolate in the middle. Do you guys see that? And then the wafer cookie around as the cone. Guys, this is good. Because it's like two textures that you wouldn't think of putting together, but it's two in one. It's good. Marshmallow, fluffy. So it gives you the soft. And then it gives you, the hard crunchy with the wafer. And it's a nice balance. I love this one. This might be number 4. Wow, this is very creative and innovative. I love it. I'm gonna save it for later though. I'm gonna circle back my stuff later. It's really good. Okay, it says fromage sale. So, you know, cheese. A cheese cracker. A cheese cookie. Let's open this. It looks yummy. Anything you would want a cookie to be. Look at how cute. It smells good, guys. It smells like a baked cheese cookie. It smells like a Cheez-It, but it's not a Cheez-It. Okay. Okay. This is, wow. Guys, this is a cheese cookie. Like, it has the bitterness of the cheese, and it's bringing in the sweetness of the cookie, and it's like the texture of a cookie. This is what I have to say about these snacks so far that I've been diving into in this box. They do a really great job in bringing the balance, like the savoriness and the sweetness. They know how to pair well these elements and flavors to give you that umami taste. I really love this cookie, like unexpectedly. Like I'm not gonna lie, I had a little expectation, like for it to be a little saltier, but unexpectedly it gave me the balance with the sweetness, and it's really good. This is a great snack. I'm not even gonna lie, like 5 stars. Awesome, that was great. All right, I've been wanting to open this one, and it's that time. Its time is here. It looks like a little, you know, cookie stick. Okay, it's a dipping, you know, like the typical dipping stick in some type of sauce like thing. Look like it might be sweet though. And the flavor is strawberry. Okay, this is good. It's a nice little quick snack. It's very sweet, I like it. It's not my top snack, but it's good. It's good. I like it. Awesome. All right, guys, we're getting down to our last couple snacks. Look at the packaging to this one. Yeah, let's see what it's about. Look at how cute these are. They're so tiny. I wonder if they're all stars. Yeah, they're all stars. How cute. This is the star out of the packaging. This is the star hitting my tongue. Guys, this is chocolate. This is cocoa. I was not expecting this. I thought it was gonna be sweet, but it's cocoa in like candy form. This is good. I like this because it's like expect the unexpected. Just when I thought I knew something, it taught me that I didn't know nothing at all. You see what I'm saying? Like, don't judge the book by its cover. This was a nice surprise. This was good. I like this one. It's up there in the snacks. All right, guys, ready for the final moment? This is our final snack, and it's here. What's that? Fresh cream. This looks good. I love how in some of the packaging, when you instantly open it, it instantly just smacks your nose, like the smell. It's good. Oh, it's chocolate. I like the green of the wrapper, I'm not gonna lie. It says fruta, whatever that means. I need another bite of this. Bro, it's like another level of chocolate. This chocolate tastes like rice. Bro, it tastes like rice cracker meets chocolate, but it's in the chocolate. I can't really tell what the middle part is. Guys, I would have never guessed it. The middle cream is pistachio. This is good. This is a good snack if you want something sweet. You just pop it in your mouth real quick. A good sweet snack. I like it. This is good. Wow. All right, that's the end of the snacks. All right, guys, so I'm ranking my top 6 snacks of the day, and it goes as follows. This is definitely my number 1, like a melon cookie. I really love this. It was good. My second, the soda chewing candy, like the texture, it did it for me. The texture and the flavor, awesome. This is number 2. Number 3, the snowflake cracker. Yum. This is good. I love this. Number 4 for me was the cheese cookie. It was good. 4. And 5 was the marshmallow cone wafer. It was good. And this is number 6, just because it caught me off guard. This is a cocoa sweet candy, like, no, it wasn't sweet, I lied. It's a cocoa star. I love this. This was good. And as a plus, ready? I'm gonna throw in my last plus, number 7, just to leave it as top 7 items. The soda was a nice touch. It was good. The snacks in my top 7, they're 10 out of 10 plus. Like, that's how great they were. I love those snacks. They're great. Thank you guys so much for tuning in this week with me to unpack the Japanese box. I had tons of fun going through each snack and the soda. They were very flavorful and definitely blew my mind and taste buds. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.